In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in Attio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, useful list that your whole team can use. First, sign in to your Attio account. Once you're in, look for the Lists section in your workspace. This is where all your saved collections live and where you'll build new ones. Click New List to get started. A list in Attio is a saved view of your records. Think of it as a smart collection of objects like companies, people, or deals. Lists are powerful because they keep your data organized in one place. They can be filtered and sorted the way you like, and they update as your underlying records change. That means you can come back to the same view anytime and see the latest information without rebuilding it. For setup, choose Start from Scratch so you can control every detail. If you prefer, Attio also offers templates that pre-fill common fields and layouts, which can save time if you're following a familiar workflow. Next, pick the object your list will display. You might choose companies, for example, if you want an account-centric view. In this example, select Deals to continue. The process is the same regardless of the object you choose. The key is to pick the one that matches the data you want to manage. Name your list clearly. A good naming convention, like pipeline, active deals, or accounts. Target tier helps teammates find it quickly and understand its purpose at a glance. Click Create List to build it. Now choose the layout. Select Table for this example. Table is best when you want a spreadsheet-style view, sortable columns, quick scanning, and easy bulk editing. Kanban, on the other hand, organizes records into columns based on a field like stage or status, and it shines when you want to visualize flow and move items forward by dragging and dropping. If you regularly track progress through steps, Kanban is great. If you need detailed comparisons across many fields, stick with Table. Add a title for this view. This title is what your team will see at the top of the list, so keep it concise and descriptive. It can match your list name or highlight a specific focus, like Q3 Pipeline Overview. Click Confirm to finalize. That's it. You logged in, opened lists, created a new list from scratch, chose your object, named it, built it, selected a table layout, added a clear title, and confirmed. You now have a reusable, easy-to-navigate list in Attio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.